Okay, I installed it's Jegs exhaust system for Chevelle with their whatever mufflers that come with them. It doesn't really say anything on it, but let's start it back up and I'll let you hear it. They're hanging down a little bit because I don't have them tied up or whatever. I just have them hanging because it's late and I'm a little tired, and you know the drill. .327 motor. I don't want to keep it running that long because I don't have a fan belt right now, so I have to get another one of them because it was too big. Demon carburetor, which runs very nice. And that's about that, but that's the Jegs exhaust system. Like I said, I don't know what mufflers, I don't know what brand. It doesn't say, but I'll have to trim the pipes and hang it all up. Let's see if I can get it. I mean, on there, I don't know. That's a little too dark, but doesn't sound bad at all. Cool. All right. We're done.